Think about your pickup truck for a second. It is the ultimate tool, a symbol of freedom and a beast of burden. But let's be honest, even the most powerful rigs have their limitations. Whether it's wasted space, a literal pain in the back from loading heavy gear, or the struggle to find that one specific tool buried under a mountain of equipment, your truck could be doing so much more. Today, we're looking at the engineering marvels and clever inventions that are turning standard pickups into high-tech multi-tools. We aren't just talking about aesthetic upgrades, we're talking about massive leaps in utility that will make you wonder how you ever drove without them. First up, let's talk about one of the most overlooked areas of any truck, the taillights. Most people see them as a safety requirement and nothing more. The engineers at Black Sheep saw them as a missed opportunity for storage. The Black Sheep tail light storage system is a stroke of genius for anyone who values everyday carry efficiency. By replacing the factory housing with a specialized swing-out compartment, you gain a secure, weather-resistant locker for small essentials. Imagine having instant access to your recovery straps, a first aid kit, or even emergency tools, all tucked away in a space that was previously hollow plastic. It's the ultimate hidden in plain sight storage solution that keeps your cab clutter-free without sacrificing an inch of your actual bed space. But what if you need to go bigger? If you've ever struggled to reach into a deep cross-bed toolbox, you know the frustration of climbing onto a tire just to grab a wrench. The decked Toolbox has already set the gold standard for durability, being virtually indestructible and completely waterproof. However, the real game changer here is the integrated folding ladder. Tucked neatly inside the box is a high-grade aluminum nesting ladder that slides out and drops down to the ground in seconds. It eliminates the truck bed gymnastics entirely. Whether you're a contractor on a job site or a weekend warrior heading into the mountains, this system ensures you can access your gear with grace and safety, proving that the best inventions aren't just about adding features, they're about solving fundamental ergonomic problems. Now, let's look at a solution for the driver who refuses to be boxed in by a standard factory layout. Most truck beds are fixed, heavy pieces of stamped steel that offer zero flexibility. Enter the Sharptech lightweight modular truck bed. This isn't just a replacement bed, it's an entire ecosystem for your rig. Built from high-strength, aerospace-grade aluminum, it significantly reduces the unsprung weight of your vehicle, improving fuel economy and handling. But the real magic is the T-slot mounting system. It allows you to mount, move, and remove accessories like side boxes, rack systems, and tie-down points in minutes. It's designed for the professional who needs a service body on Monday but a flatbed for hauling lumber on Friday. It represents a shift from one-size-fits-all to built-for-purpose engineering. Speaking of purpose, let's talk about the ultimate transformation for any serious property owner or contractor, the pickup-to-dump truck conversion kit. There is a massive gap between a standard pickup and a heavy-duty commercial dump truck, but this kit bridges that gap perfectly. By installing a heavy-duty hydraulic subframe between your truck's chassis and the bed, you gain the ability to tip your cargo at a 45-degree angle. We're talking about the power to unload 2 tons of gravel, mulch, or debris in under 30 seconds without ever picking up a shovel. This is pure industrial-grade utility brought down to the consumer level, allowing you to maximize the earning potential of your vehicle while saving hours of back-breaking labor.
But what if your needs are more about protection and versatility on the go? The flated air topper is disrupting an industry that hasn't changed in decades. Traditional fiberglass toppers are heavy, expensive, and a permanent commitment. If you take it off, where do you even store it? Flated solved this using drop-stitch technology, the same high-pressure construction used in professional paddleboards. The result is a rock-solid, insulated truck cap that weighs less than 50 pounds. You can inflate it when you need to camp or haul sensitive gear, and when the job is done, it deflates and rolls up into a backpack-sized bag that fits under your seat. It's the definition of modern convenience, providing all the structural integrity of a hard shell with none of the logistical headaches. For those whose trucks aren't just for show, but for serious recovery and transport, the Detroit Wrecker Low Loader System is the apex of towing technology. Traditional loading can be a nightmare, especially when dealing with low-clearance vehicles or heavy, cumbersome machinery that requires a precise approach. This system utilizes a precision-engineered pivot and slide mechanism that brings the entire loading deck down to a near zero-degree angle. It's not just about brute strength, it's about surgical control. By lowering the center of gravity and providing a seamless transition from the pavement to the deck, it eliminates the risk of bumper damage and the high-stress variables of using steep, unstable ramps. This is professional-grade equipment for operators who demand zero compromises when it's time to get to work, transforming your truck into a high-efficiency recovery vehicle. Now, let's address the black hole of the truck bed. We've all been there, crawling on your hands and knees into the back of a dark bed to reach a tool bag or a cooler that slid all the way to the cab during the drive. The Bedslide sliding cargo platform turns that daily frustration into a thing of the past. Think of it as a massive, heavy-duty industrial drawer for your truck. With a simple pull of a handle, your entire payload, up to 2,000 pounds of it, slides out past the tailgate and right to your waist level. It doesn't matter if you have a tonneau cover, a cap, or a bed full of loose gear. The Bedslide ensures that every square inch of your storage space is accessible and organized. It turns a deep, unreachable cavern into an ergonomic sliding workspace that saves your knees, your back, and your time.
Access is a recurring theme today because as modern trucks get taller and more capable, getting into the bed becomes more of a chore. The Flip Step truck bed step is the ultimate common-sense solution for this physical hurdle. Unlike bulky permanent steps that kill your ground clearance or ruin your truck's sleek profile, the Flip Step is a low-profile, retractable wonder of engineering. It mounts securely to your bumper or frame and flips down with a quick nudge of your foot. It provides a sturdy, wide, non-slip platform for a safe and effortless climb into the bed, and then tucks away completely out of sight when the job is done. It's a simple mechanical upgrade that makes a massive difference in daily usability, proving once again that the smartest inventions are often the most straightforward. Even with the best mirrors, a full-sized pickup has massive blind spots. A high-definition wireless rear-view camera system is no longer a luxury, it's a safety necessity. These systems provide a lag-free digital eye for solo hitching and precision backing in tight spots, ensuring you have total situational awareness at all times. When it comes to social versatility, the BedRider seating system is a game-changer. It's a removable, safety-rated seating solution that meets federal standards, allowing you to legally and safely transport extra passengers in your truck bed. It's the perfect upgrade for beach trips or off-road excursions where you want to bring the whole crew along. Finally, for the serious overlander, the Clearview Power Slide is the pinnacle of convenience. Accessing a heavy portable fridge in a lifted truck can be a physical struggle. This motorized slide doesn't just pull your gear out, it lowers it to a perfect manageable height at the touch of a button. It's professional-grade engineering that ensures your supplies are always within reach. These inventions prove that your truck is more than just a vehicle, it is a platform for limitless innovation. Each of these upgrades transforms a standard pickup into a specialized high-performance tool. Subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that's changing the way we drive, and we'll see you in the next one.